Shall I start the meeting?
Wait a minute, ma'am. I will confirm. Ma'am, please start the meeting.
Okay. Very good afternoon, dear shareholders and respected board members. I, Poonam Sharma, Company Secretary of Burnpur Cement Limited, welcome you all to the 39th Annual General Meeting of the company. This meeting is being held through video conferencing and other audio-visual means in accordance with the circular issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. The company has made all feasible efforts to enable the members to participate in the meeting through video conferencing and other audio-visual mean facility and vote electronically. Since the quorum is present, I would request the shareholders to elect the chairman of this meeting. I request NSDL team to unmute the shareholders so that they can elect the chairman of this meeting.
I propose.
I support. Manos Banerjee supporting.
Subhash
Seconded.
Kaur propose.
So you propose to Mr. Indrajit Kumar Tiwari as the chairman?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I would like to
I
propose Sir Indrajit Kumar.
Yeah, I Sujan Modak, I support it.
I would like to propose.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. The shareholders have elected Mr. Indrajit Kumar Tiwari as the chairman of this meeting. Since the quorum is present, I would request our chairman, sir, to call the meeting to order and proceed with the meeting. Sir, please proceed.
Dear shareholder, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Before we start with the meeting, I would like to introduce my colleague on the board, Mr. Ram Narayan, Ms. Poonam Srivastav, and Mr. Pawan Parekh, and Mr. Ritesh Agrawal. I also, yeah. I also invite Ms. Payal Thakur, representative of Measures Bhagi Bhardwaj God and Company, statutory auditor of the company. Mr. Jang Bohan, representative of the partner of the KRGB and Associates LLP, internal auditor of the company. Mr. Vivek Mishra, practicing company secretary, secretarial auditor of the company. And last but not the least, Mr. Pankaj Kumar Modi, practicing company secretary and scrutinizer for this meeting. I welcome to the 39th Annual General Meeting of Burnpur Cement Limited as we gather again virtually to discuss the progress made in year gone past. It is pleasure to host you. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I thank you for making the time to join us today and for your continuing support over the years. The Director's Report and Auditor's Report for the financial year ended 31st March 2025 are already with you, and with your kind permission, I take them as read. As you are aware, the requirement of sending physical copies of notice and annual general notice and annual reports has been dispensed of by the circular from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and that of SEBI, and the same has been complied with by your company. Now I take up the formal proceeding of the meeting with your kind permission. As there are no qualification in auditor's report, I take the notice convening the meeting and auditor's report as a read. Just to reiterate to the shareholders of the company, your company was taken into securitization process by its secured creditors, State Bank of India and Central Bank of India, under Securitization and Reconstruction Financial Assets and Enforcement Security Interest Act SURFACE, and accordingly, State Bank of India and Central Bank of India has assigned their debts to Measures UV Asset Reconstruction Company as an through Swiss challenge method. After the assignment of debt, SEBI and CBI, SBI and CBI and UVRC Limited, by evaluating the affairs of the company, came to opinion that the management was not competent enough to utilize the remaining resources optimally and run the business. The inefficiency of the earlier management resulted in huge loss and also led to non-payment of its financial liabilities. Thus, exercising the power given under Section 91A, 15 and 16 of SURFACE Act 2002, UVARC changed the management of the company with effect from 1st October. Since the company along with UVRC working hard to revive the company. Further, during the financial year 2023 22-23, UVRC also acquired the remaining 24% financial debt of the company from its secured creditor Punjab National Bank under SARFAESI Act 2002. In last financial year 2023-24, UVARCL under the SARFAESI Act 2002 sold the immovable and movable assets of the Patratu plant in Jharkhand through an auction process to Majors Ultratech Cement Limited on November 29, 2023. Despite various efforts from company was unable to pay off the total financial cost of UVRC in the last 5 years, that is approximately 6,570 lakhs, as the average income of the company in the last 5 years was negative, that is 7465 lakhs. At present, the company has sold all the assets which were only source of generating revenue, and company does not have any alternative source of income. During the financial year ended 31st March 2025, the company did not carry any business operations. As a result, generated no revenue. The company remained non-operational throughout the year, and there was no significant change in the state of affairs of the company during the year under review. The management continued to monitor the business environment and explore opportunity for future operations, and will take appropriate step and when viable business opportunity arises to keep the company as a going concern. The registrar of company Kolkata has issued during the financial year 31st March 2025, your company underwent a scheme of arrangement for reduction of share capital in accordance with the scheme filed on 6 June 2020 with NCLT Kolkata bench. The scheme was duly approved by Honorable Bench of National Company Law Tribunal Kolkata on 30th October 2024. Certified true copy of which was received on 27 November 2024. Subsequently, a copy of order was filed with Registrar of Company Kolkata in compliance with the provision of Section 66 of the Companies Act 2013 under Form INC 28 on 19th December 2024. The Registrar of Company Kolkata has issued a fresh certificate consequent to the reduction of capital, adjusting the capital from rupees 86 crore 12 lakhs 43,630 divided into 8 crore 61 lakh 24,363 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid up to rupees 17 crores 22 lakhs 48,730 divided into 1 crore 17 lakhs 24,873 equity shares of 10 each fully paid up. The company has successfully completed the corporate action process post capital reduction and also received the listing approval from both exchanges. Presently, the company has applied for trading approval to NSE and BSE, which is expected to receive shortly. Thereafter, the share of the company will be traded on both the stock exchanges. During the financial year 31st March 2025, the company has changed its registered office from Village Palesdia, Kanyapur, Asansol, West Bengal to 7/1 Anandilal Poddar Sarani, 5th floor, flat number 5B, Kanchana Building, Kolkata, 70071 West Bengal. Within the state, with effect from 24th December 2024, in accordance with the provision of Section 12(5) of the Companies Act 2020-13 and rules made thereafter with the approval of shareholders passed by way of postal ballot through remote voting. The change of register office was undertaken for better communication, administrative convenience, availability of resources for catering to future corporate action of the company. Now I hand over the mic to Ms. Poonam Sharma for carrying the meeting forward.
Okay, thank you, sir. In compliance with MCA and SEBI circular, this 39th annual general meeting of the company is being held via video conferencing and other audiovisual means. The members are advised that the facility to join the annual general meeting is made available on the first come, first served basis. The instruction for joining the annual general meeting and for voting during the meeting is mentioned in the notice of the AGM and are also displayed on the website of the company. Once the question and answer session starts, the shareholders who have registered themselves as a speaker for the meeting shall be provided an opportunity to speak one by one. Thereafter, the respective shareholders shall be unmuted by Mr. Preetham Datta of NSDL, moderator of the meeting. The speaker shareholders are also requested to unmute themselves and switch on their cameras before asking the question, keeping in view the time made available by NSDL. Speaker shareholders are requested to restrict their question to a maximum of 3 minutes, please. As already informed, the meeting is being conducted through video conferencing and other audiovisual means, and the company had provided the remote e-voting facility to all the members to enable them to cast their vote electronically in respect of all the businesses to be transacted in the 39th Annual General Meeting in accordance with the provision of Section 108 and 109 of the Companies Act 2013, read with Rule 20 of the Companies Management and Administration Rule 2014, and pursuant to Regulation 44 of the SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosures Requirement Regulation 2015, the remote e-voting facility was kept open from 9 a.m. on September 2nd, 2025 up to 5 p.m. on September 4, 2025. In line with the provision of Clause 7.1 of Secretarial Standard 2 on general meetings issued by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, proposing and seconding the resolution is not required as remote e-voting was made available before the commencement of the meeting. Further, as per Section 107 and Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013, read with MCA circular, there will be no show of hands at this annual general meeting. Therefore, to enable the shareholder present at the meeting and who have not availed the facility of remote e-voting to cast their votes, an electronic voting facility during the annual general meeting has been arranged and voting will be taken in respect of all the businesses contained in the notice. Mr. Pankaj Kumar Modi, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as the scrutinizer for scrutinizing the remote e-voting and e-voting at the annual general meeting and to submit a report thereon in a prescribed manner. Now I would call upon Chairman Sir to address the members. Sir.
The annual report of the company, along with auditor's report, director's report, and the financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 2025, along with notice of 39th Annual General Meeting dated 25th July 2025, was sent electronically to the members, and necessary newspaper public notice was published in this regard, pursuant to the regulatory requirement. With your consent, we take the notice of the AGM as received and read. The statutory auditor measures Bhagi Bhardwaj Gaur and Company Chartered Accountants have given their unqualified opinion in their audit report for the financial year 31st March 2025. We now take up the resolution as set forth in notice. The notice of the AGM included 5 agenda items. Ordinary business item number 1, adoption of the audited accounts of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025, together with the reports of the directors and auditors thereon. Next agenda is special business. Item number 2, appointment of Mrs. Bhagi Bhardwaj Gaur and Company, Chartered Accountant, firm registration number 007895N, as statutory auditor of the company to fill casual vacancy caused by resignation of Mrs. Agarwal HP and Associates, Chartered Accountants, Ranchi, to hold office from 10th June 2025 until the conclusion of 39th Annual General Meeting. Next agenda is special business. Item number 3, as statute item number 3, appointments of Mr. Bhagi Bhardwaj and Company as statutory auditor of the company for the term of 5 years to hold office from the conclusion of the 39th Annual General Meeting up to the conclusion of 44th Annual General Meeting of the company. Next agenda is special business. Item number 4, appointments of M&A Associates Practicing Company Secretaries as the secretarial auditor of the company for a term of 5 consecutive years commencing from financial year 25-26 to 29-30. Next agenda is a special business. Item number 5, ratification of remuneration payable to cost auditor of the company for the financial year 25-26. Now I shall take up the agenda for reappointment of Mr. Ritesh Agarwal as director liable to retire by rotation according with the provision of the Companies Act 2013. The members are informed that pursuant to the change in management of Burnpur Cement Limited by UV Asset Construction Company Limited under Section 91A, read with Section 15 and 16 of SARFAESI Act 2002, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, Director, appointed on the board of your company by UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, is liable to retire by rotation as per Section 152 of the Companies Act 2013 in the 39th Annual General Meeting of the company. Accordingly, UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, by their letter dated 5th September 2025, that is today's morning, confirmed that Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, who currently serves as a non-executive director on the board of the company and who is liable to retire by rotation as per the provision of the Companies Act 2013, shall continue to act as the non-executive director of the Burnpur Cement Limited Company. Now I shall take up the agenda for the appointment of Mr. Rajesh Sharma as an independent director of the company, whose first term of directorship was expiring on 29th 9 2025. The member of informed that pursuant to the change in management of the Burnpur Cement Limited, UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited under Section 91A, reduced Section 15 and 16 of Surface Act 2002, Mr. Rajesh Sharma as an independent director appointed on the board of your company by UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, and whose first term of directorship expiring on 29th September 2025. Accordingly, UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, White, their letter dated 5th September 2025, confirmed that Mr. Rajesh Sharma has been reappointed as an independent director for the company with effect from 29th September 2025 for further period of 5 years. Now I shall take up the agenda of reappointment of Mrs. Poonam Srivastava as independent director of the company, whose first term of the directorship is expiring on 29th September 2025. The member are informed that pursuant to the change in management of the Burnpur Cement Limited, UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, under Section 91A, read with Section 15 and 16 of Surface Act 2002, Mrs. Poonam Srivastava, an independent director appointed on the board of your company by UV ARCL, and whose first term of directorship is expiring on 29th September 2025. Accordingly, UV Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, while letter dated 5th September 2025, confirmed that Mrs. Poonam Srivastava has been reappointed as an independent director of the company with effect from 29th September 2025 for further period of 5 years. With the above, we conclude the discussion on these agenda items. Before we allow the e-voting commence, we could like to invite the members who has been registered themselves as a speaker to speak about the company or present their view on the working of the company. I request Company Secretary to call the speaker one by one.
Okay, thank you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to invite our first speaker shareholder, Mr. Bimal Sarkar. I would request Mr. Bimal Sarkar to unmute himself and switch on his video.
हेलो हेलो हाँ सुनाई दे रहा है मैडम?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं विमल कृष्ण सरकार, मेरा रेसिडेंस कलकत्ता से ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ। चेयरमैन साहब, उपस्थित कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मैडम और शेयर होल्डर्स, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं पहले आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। अपने कंपनी का पोजीशन किस स्थिति में है ये क्लियरली बताया हम लोगों को सामने रखा है, इसलिए आपने बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मैडम, आपको भी धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आपने एनुअल रिपोर्ट और लिंक भेज दिया है, बहुत पहले ही भेज दिया है, इसलिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो मच।
और सर, आपने तो बता दिया है हमारा क्या है, ये जो फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट है इसके ऊपर क्या बोले। कोई तो माने ऑपरेशन रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन नील है, तो कोई काम धाम नहीं हुआ, तो इसके बारे में तो बोलना ठीक, क्या क्या बोले, बोलने का कुछ नहीं है। सर आपने बताया है, नया मैनेजमेंट आया है, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ सर, आप लोग क्या प्लान और क्या करना चाहते हैं हमारा कंपनी को, क्या कैसा बिजनेस करेंगे, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और हाईलाइट करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। मैं आशा करता हूँ नया मैनेजमेंट जो आया है वो विद इन 1 और 2 इयर्स हमारा कंपनी को स्टेबल जगह पर ले आएंगे। और ये आशा करते हुए मैं चेयरमैन साहब और आपका पूरा टीम और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मैडम आदरणीय, आपको सब सुस्त रहे, मैं ये ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ और मेरे को बोलने का मौका दिया है, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार मैडम।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I would now request our second speaker shareholder, Mr. Subhas Kar, to express his views. Mr. Kar, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chairman, sir, esteemed members of the board and fellow shareholders. I am Subhash Kar, joining from Kolkata. Chairman, sir, your initial speech was very informative regarding our company. Sir, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to respected, well-experienced Company Secretary, Madam Poonam Sharma, and the entire team for providing excellent investor service, registering my name as a speaker, and staying in touch with us. Sir, I wholeheartedly support all the resolution passed through remote voting. Sir, with all operation asset sold, no revenue source, is the new board considering any concrete new business plan or revival strategy for the company? Nothing to add more, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for providing me with this opportunity to express my view. Namaskar.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kar. I would now request our third speaker shareholder, Mr. Manas Banerjee, to express his views on the company. Mr. Banerjee, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
I am audible, ma'am.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chairman, present board members, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Manus Banerjee, joining this virtual AGM from Kolkata. First of all, I express my gratitude to our company secretary, Madam Poonam Sharma, for doing an excellent investor services. Sir, our company has reported a significant net loss because the company has reported nil operations and after company sold out its assets. I already support all the resolutions by remote voting. Now I have some question. Sir, what is the company's outlook for achieving profitability in the upcoming years? And my second query is, the company's debt remains a major concern. What is the plan, your plan to address the outstanding debt? I have no further question. My best wishes for the company's sustainable financial growth and prospects in the coming years. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Banerjee. I would now request our fourth speaker shareholder, Mr. Sujan Modak, to speak about the company. Mr. Sujan Modak, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Yeah, you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, respected chairman इंद्रजीत सर, आपको दिखा नहीं सर? इसका पहले हम लोग जब मीटिंग करते थे कम से कम आपको दिखते थे एनीवे, आपका आवाज तो आया है बट वी कुड नॉट बी एबल टू सी यू सर. इंद्रजीत तिवारी सर, आपने जो बोला है ना सर, तो सर बहुत ही ठीक ही बात है, लेकिन हमको ये जानना है, जैसे मेरा प्रीवियस स्पीकर ने भी बोला है ना, वी आर रियली कंसर्न. तो कंपनी क्या करने वाला है ये हमको जानना बहुत जरूरी है. एनीवे, नमस्कार सर. और मैं सुजन मोदक, आई एम ज्वाइनिंग फ्रॉम माय होम कलकत्ता सर. और इफ पॉसिबल कभी आप ऑफिस में आते हैं तो एक बार बुलाइए, आपसे मिलेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा सर. तो हाँ, ये तो अभी दिखा है सर. ओके. थैंक यू सर. कभी होगा तो सर आइए, तो कभी बुलाइए. हम तो कलकत्ता में ही हैं. इफ यू कम इन द कलकत्ता ऑफिस तो एक बार आमने सामने मिलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा सर. एनीवे, वी आर रियली कंसर्न अबाउट द कंपनीज फ्यूचर. एंड तो यहाँ क्या क्वेश्चन करना है सर, कुछ है ही नहीं. आपने जो बोला है, विल वेट पेशेंटली एंड विल, आई थिंक देर हो सकता है लेकिन अंधेर नहीं होगा. हमारा कंपनी डेफिनेटली विल कम बैक विथ सम न्यू बिजनेस एंड ऑल. बिफोर आई फिनिश, ma'am, thank you very much, Payal ma'am, for doing very good investor services to all of us. And Poonam Kumari ma'am, thank you very much. And it's a nice investor services.
Thank
Nothing
you,
to
sir.
add more, over to you for further processing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I would now request our fifth speaker shareholder, Mr. Manas Kumar Roy, to commence his speech. Mr. Roy, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Hello, I am Manas Kumar Roy, speaking from my residence at Calcutta. Okay, please refer page number 55 of annual report, where undisputed statutory dues including goods and service tax, GST, provident fund, employee state ESI, income tax, duty of custom, etc., whose age is more than 6 months since 31st March 2025, paid till date. Paid till date. Now you please highlight the issue how you will manage this huge amount, that is excise duty 5 crore 51 lakhs 47,848, CST 4 crore 13 lakhs 82,347, and TDS 26,4725, and VAT 66,88,577. VAT is still division 4,63,644. Now my question is that why this is not paid when the amount is collected from the selling product till date? Why this is outstanding till date? What is the future plan of this company for meet up these expenses? Please highlight in this. Have the company any capable person such as CA or etc. to handle this position? Please explain and how it will be resolved. My next question is page number 78. You have reduced the equity share capital from 8 crore 61 lakhs 24,363 to 1 crore 72 lakhs 24,873. So by reduction of capital, what is the benefit you have obtained from this reduction of share capital? Please highlight in this. I have only two questions. And what is UB Asset Reconstruction Company? What is their duty? They are holding 25.31% shareholding. What is their duty regarding to this? Whereas the promoter share is only below 1%. How the company manage all these outstanding things lying since a long time? Okay, thank you. No more issue.
Thank you, Mr. Roy. I would now request our sixth speaker shareholder, Mr. Gautam Nandi, to express his views. Mr. Nandi, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Am I audible, ma'am? Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Very good noon and namaskar, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, online fellow shareholders. Myself Gautam Nandi from Kakurgachi, Kolkata, very old equity shareholder of your company. I'd like to give thanks to your secretarial department for sending me annual report along with notice, necessary joining link, along with the speaker serial number through email well in advance. I have also received the hard copy of your annual report, which I have requested for. Sir, you are organizing your AGM through video conference, and it is nice. It is in a very good manner, like the previous years. Sir, I am very pleased to receive your annual report, which is very informative and also self-explanatory. Respected Chairman, sir, your introductory speech was very much informative. So no question from my side. The market is still very tough, and you are trying your best. Please let me know your future plan of a company. I have already casted my e-voting through our in e-voting. Start looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, if possible in future. We will in the dividend paying company and return. May God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Namaskar, sir. Namaskar.
Thank you, Mr. Gautam Nandi. I would now request our seventh speaker shareholder, Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta, to talk about the company. Mr. Datta, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected Chairman, distinguished board members, esteemed KMPs, ex-superintendent and Vivasia's secretarial team, and my fellow shareholders visiting this hasty meeting. I, Mr. Tapos Kumar Datta, an equity shareholder of Burnpur Cement Limited. My heartfelt indebtedness to our secretarial department for their excellent and remarkable investor services. They are doing everything efficiently, effectively, and intelligently. It is painful to know that the company has a no business operation, and our team management is waiting for the instruction of Ultra-Tech team management what to do their immediate step. We, the shareholder of Burnpur Cement, shall be waiting for the same. This might be our last meeting of Burnpur Cement Limited. Only my one question, why had Messrs. Agarwal HP and Associate resigned in an interim period? With this, I conclude. Thank you for patient hearing. Over to you for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I would now request our eighth speaker shareholder, Mr. Atanu Saha, to express his views. Mr. Saha, please unmute yourself and switch on your video.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yes. Yes, I, Atanu Shah, a shareholder of BCL, Burnpur Cement Limited. My respective chairman, sir, present, Indrajit Kumar Tiwari, Rajesh Sharma ji, and our company secretary Poonam Kumari Sharma, Sharma ji, our CFO Pawan Parekh ji, and all our shareholders present in this 39th annual general meeting on 5th August 2025. My previous shareholder already raised number of queries and requests and their valuable suggestion. Sir, my question is that before that, I wish to say that as far as our company secretarial department, though who sent me 95 pages, it's beautifully colorful book which is on 24-25 annual report, sir. Beautifully organizing it's beautifully papered and column, each and everything beautiful. Though who my previous shareholder already their information regarding about annual report. But one thing my question is that related with, sir, GST regime is right now, it is changing right now. So there are certain possibilities right now rise for customers and sellers both, and also organizer both, sir. So what is your opinion in this set, because it is matter of the newcomer and also new ventures, sir? Sir, and sir, I avoid all my already all shareholders already raised the queries about the future of our companies. That is really we have to know about it. We have to watch about it as a shareholder. And the matter of agendas concerned, it is ordinary business one and special business 2, 3, 4, 5, and which is it's all are ordinary resolutions. Before leave, I wish to read Dr. H.P. Kanuriyaji's Love and Peace Universal Prayer. This is, oh God, this is our prayer, is that we as a shareholder, we as a children of our universe, do think about to do our job for betterment. Thank you very much. I, Atanu Shah, I wish next year do we meet with our new agenda. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Saha. Now I request our ninth and last speaker shareholder, Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, to talk about the company. Mr. Bakshi, please unmute yourself
Very
and
good
switch on your
afternoon.
video.
Very good afternoon, Chairman and Board of Directors. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, coming from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I convey my thanks to our company secretary, Poonam Singh ji, for giving me an opportunity, Sharma ji, madam, for giving me an opportunity to express my views and maintaining good investor-friendly relations with the shareholders.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, your initial speech covered about our company affairs and also our future prospects. And many questions have been raised by earlier speakers, so I don't want to repeat them. And all have been covered. Just want to know how is our future outlook? How do we plan to move forward in the coming years? What is our prospects in the future? That's all from my side. I've supported all the resolutions along with my family members and wish the company all the best in the coming years. And festive greetings to all present in today's video conference. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Bakshi. Thank you to all the speaker shareholders. Now, Chairman, sir, would like to respond to your queries, views, and opinions. Now, I hand over the mic to our Chairman, sir.
Thank you, everyone. I have received 4 or 5 questions. The common question was, as there is no operational asset and income in the company, what is our next? What is? Am I audible, Poonam ji?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what is our next course of action? So, obviously, we are in search of our new opportunity of business which suits our memorandum of association of our company, which suits the objective of our memorandum of association of the company. So whenever we will be having a better opportunity, definitely we will be doing business. And a few other question was related to this only, as one of our shareholder, Mr. Manas Kumar Roy, asked that there was lots of statutory due pending. So those dues are pending since long. I believe it is since 2011, 12, till 16, 17. Till the time we were not in the management, these are the very old dues of Asansol unit. This VAT, excise duty, and everything. So, as explained in the annual report of the company, we were not been able to repay the entire outstanding amount of the financial creditors. So we had no option than to, keep it pending. But obviously, when we will be doing new business, we will be trying our level best to repay all the dues of the financial creditors and the outstanding dues of the statutory government and statutory dues. And one more question was from, I think, Mr. Atanu Shaha, that, why the auditor resigned from the company. Actually, the casual vacancy has been created due to his ill health, and which is why this casual vacancy has, been created, and then we had to fill this casual vacancy. So from my side, I have, I think, completed all the question answers of the questions. And thank you, everyone. I would now request the members who did not cast their vote through remote e-voting to cast their vote now. The e-voting shall remain open for 15 minutes from the conclusion of this meeting. Please note that the voting shall remain in progress for the stipulated period on all the item of the business as per the notice calling this meeting and shall conclude thereafter. The result of the voting shall be announced on receipt of the scrutinizer report, and the same shall be placed on the website of the company and will be sent to both the stock exchange within the stipulated time. As we are approaching towards closure of 39th annual general meeting of the company, I would like to convey my heartiest thanks to the stakeholders, shareholders, customer, the leadership team, and all our employees for the commitment, efforts, and initiatives. I thank each of you for your continuing support. I would also like to thank all members of the company for attending this meeting and for the cooperation extended. I wish all of us the very best as we carry out our individual responsibilities in building future success together. Thank you, everyone. Please stay safe and healthy. Since there is no other business to transact, with consent of the member, I declare the meeting as closed. Now I hand over the mic to our company secretary.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to thank the chairman, sir, all the members on the board, and to all the shareholders for being part of this 39th annual general meeting of the company. I would like to thank NSDL team for their immense support for conducting this AGM very smoothly. So, I, Poonam Sharma, on behalf of the company, hereby conclude this meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. We have stopped the live streaming. We shall hereby end the meeting for all. Have a great